was fresh air. You know? When I'm going and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air. Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people? You know? King Nightlife back. I just wanted to catch up with y'all. You know? Headed over here to this Home Depot to pick up some material for this package tray I'm working on for the Buick Electra. Yeah, I'm grinding, y'all. It's early. It's early in the morning. You know, I had to push myself to get out here and do it, you know. So I'm headed over here. To Home Depot to pick up the material for the package tray and the Buick Electra, because I'm gonna get that done today. You know, I'm gonna get that done. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna pick up this pegboard material, and from there, I'm gonna head over to I don't know, Joanne Fabric or somebody got this vinyl material that I need for this assignment. So I'm moving forward. I'm on my way there now. You know, I just had to catch up with y'all. You know, bring y'all this quick vlog. I am searching for some tires also today for the Roadmaster and also Goldie. So I'm searching. I'm gonna be stopping over here at a few tire spots, seeing what I could get. You guys gotta go. Come on, man. Seeing what I could come across over here. What type of deals we got going on. I know my grandfather said, oh, that's a truck. I know my grandfather said he has a spot in Massachusetts that he would like to show me. Where he says he got his tires from. So I'm gonna be calling him up today too, seeing if that's an option that I can explore. You know, he told me, he said don't buy no tires. He got the spot. He said he got the spot where I could get 5 tires for $300. So I said, you know, that's a good deal. You know, depending on what type of tires you want. You know, I know it's many different brands and treads, you know. But, you know, me, I'm a white wall type of guy, so I'm looking for white walls for both cars. But, moving forward. King Nightlife back. Okay, y'all, so it's hot out here. I went ahead and
take the next right onto US 5 North Berlin Turnpike.
I went ahead and I picked up the material for the package tray. So right now I'm leaving
Continue on US
Home
5
Depot,
North for 1.5 miles.
and I'm on my way to Joanne Fabric now, so I can pick up some vinyl. I had stopped over by this other place before I cut y'all back on, but they only had vinyl paper. They didn't have the actual vinyl material that I'm looking for. But I went ahead and I picked up some Gorilla Glue, some Gorilla Spray adhesive, you know, so we could go ahead and make this material stick. I also picked up some some oil-based waterproof. I need to waterproof this material, so you know, as the weather changes, it won't absorb any water. So I went ahead and picked up some of that. You know, that's the stuff here. You know, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna waterproof it so that it doesn't collect moisture like the previous package tray. And I also picked up this little handsaw here because it's quick and it's useful for what I need it for. So I'm over here now on the Berlin Turnpike, headed to Joann Fabric. Never been here, but I'm hoping they have exactly what I'm looking for so I can start and complete this mission. So yeah, you know, I just wanted to catch up with y'all, you know, bring y'all this vlog. This is something I could have been here, you know, it just wasn't important enough for me. It didn't fall in the line of things that was more important, but sometimes, you know, you gotta get up off your ass and get something done, you know, so that's what I'm doing here. You know, it's 92 degrees out today, you know, probably gonna throw some more nachos on the grill, fill up the cooler with some drinks, turn on some nice old school music, and take it from there, you know. So I hope y'all staying hydrated out there. I hope everybody is alright. Here we go, Joann Fabric. So yeah, you know, just as soon as I get back to the house, I'm gonna catch up with y'all. You know, I'm gonna go in here and pick up this fabric. I was trying to pick up some tires, like I said, you know, go ahead and check out a few tire spots, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this done first, and then pop back out for that. Pop back out for that, you know. So yeah, you know, just as soon as I get back to the house, I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Moving forward. King Nightlife, we back, y'all. So I made it back to the house. Made it back to the house. It's hot out here. Hot out here today, y'all. You know, I'm gonna stay motivated. You know, so I'm here with the Electra. I just laid out everything, all the supplies that I'm gonna need for this package tray installation. First, I'm gonna have to clean out, you know, what's left of a mess I have back here already. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have to do there, and I'm gonna show you guys the supplies I have laid out for the job. Yeah, so check it out. So here, I have to take the speaker covers off, get the rest of the package tray that was left under the speaker cover here on this side and on that side. And from there, I can, you know, wipe it down, clean it up a little bit, get going with measuring and cutting. So yeah, let's check out what I got going on here. Materials, got my pegboard here, everything you might need for this is right in front of you. Got the fabric, picked up some foam, 10mm foam, just in case I might need this. Might not be using this on that. So yeah, here we go. So there's the other side. So I got here, I have to clean out. Take this off, it's the first step. Take this off and clean it out a little better. Then from there, the transformation starts. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and back her out a little bit, because I won't be able to get this door open. Won't be able to get in here and be comfortable, so I'm gonna go ahead and back her out a little bit and get started, you know. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second, moving forward. King Nightlife back. I just wanted to catch up with y'all, show y'all the progress of the package tray and how far we got with that today. Take a look at it. You know, it's about to start raining, so I had to shut it down. What we got so far. Well, a little bit of rain don't stop me. So I got this so far. We laid the vinyl down here. Have our next piece that goes here. You know, so like I said, you know, small steps. Progress. Patience, progress. But you know, I just wanted to catch up with y'all, show y'all what we got done so far. Moving forward. I'm starting to collect some water here in this tent, so it's time to here's a look at that floor pan that's going on the driver's side. Probably won't need the whole thing, just half. But here's that floor pan I was talking about so much. So yeah, like I said, you know, I'm very, very satisfied. Very satisfied with how it looked. You know, it looks a lot better. Very satisfied with how it looks. It looks a lot better than it did before. You know, so we doing everything the Nightlife way. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you see anything I could have done better, drop it on down in the comment section. You know, like I said, this is my first time doing a package tray. Now what we got next is soft top going on here. So, you know, looks pretty good. Moving forward.